Okay, what it do? Whew. Sorry about that, y'all. I like to listen to music when I'm working on cars. That's why I do a lot of time lapse. Because music. What up, though? It's your boy Easy E. And today I'll be working on a Dodge Dakota, one of our neighbor's trucks. Guess during the winter time he must have slid and hit something. So he came over to me and asked me could I fix it. He wanted it painted. I guess he gonna get it painted another time. But he brought me over a green Fender and another headlight from the junkyard. So I guess I'm gonna just jump on into removing the old fender, putting another fender on, pulling out the front bumper a little bit, or hammering it out, and getting the headlight put back on. And you got some little rust repair I gotta do, but I'm not gonna do that on camera because I don't even know how I'm gonna do that. I told him bring me some sheet metal that I can work with, and he brought me some junk metal that he found. I'm gonna see what I can do. It's for the bed. He got rust holes in the wheel wells, so that when he's driving, the water goes into the bed. But we'll see what we can do with that one, since I really don't got no sheet metal laying around here that I can use to fix it. Or maybe I do. Well, I got some. Nah, I can't weld can't weld aluminum. But let me show y'all around this car. So here she is. Don't know what year it is, but it's a Dodge Dakota with a 3.7 V6 Magnum in it. And like I say, he took a little damage to the front headlight. All this got pushed back, and I got to replace that with the new one, the used one he brought over. And I never did this before, because this is a real frame car, and I'm pretty sure this whole fender got to come off. It's all one piece, so I got them both, all the stuff from on the inside, and then bolts are rusty. But we'll see. I'm gonna start by tearing stuff apart. I'm doing what I do, and get his truck right back to him. So I'll catch y'all back. Okay, what it do? Whew. Sorry about that, y'all. I like to listen to music when I'm working on cars. That's why I do a lot of time lapse, because music make the time go by very smooth and just listen to silence. But you got a bunch of 13 millimeters on this car. You got one here, some down there. Got some 310s right here. You gotta take off the ECM, move that out the way. I do believe that's an ECM. Take off some grounds. Make sure you remember where your grounds go. That's down in here. I had a ground that went right there. Another ground that go right here. The ECM bolted right through here. Yeah, right here and there. And those two bolts behind that. Like I said, they all like 13 millimeters, except for these 3 up here that are 10s. The rest that's pretty simple. Just really wasn't no really more screws other than this bracket for the ECM and the screws that go in the ECM. What was hard was the front bumper, because it got smashed. He didn't bring in replacement, so I had to do a little realignment on that and see how it fit, because it got pushed up into the fender. And yeah, I can see it got pushed real hard because it bent the steel right there. So I got it back where I think where it's supposed to be at. This is his work truck, so you got a 13 back there, you got 13 up here, you got 13 over there. You got some, I think some 10s back here. I had to heat them up. I don't even know what I did with them. I did over there. Had to heat them up because they rusted. So you'll need, if you're doing something like this, make sure you got a nice can of MAP gas. And I don't got the tool. I think I'm about to order a tool to get these antennas off, other than using channel locks. But this was still spinning. I ain't gonna cut it. So I'm gonna pull it, and I got this off. The little whatever you want to call it, I forgot, fender flare. But this is still spinning, so I'm about to pull this off so I can get to the other end and hold it while I twist this off. Then I'll start reinstalling the new fender that's green and get the fender flare off of that one. At least change that fender flare to white. So you see, did not to bring me any paint, because I was supposed to paint the fender too, but that takes longer anyway. You probably thought about that. Like for me to paint the fender, you talking about 24-hour turnaround time, because I like to let it cure, then buff and wax. So you got a green fender. But like I said, let's take everything off, get everything out the way. This stuff is simple. That's why I'm easy ease rebuilds, because I make everything look easy, even though it's not. But I'm gonna get back to work. And by the way, the bumper bolts are 18 millimeter. So if anybody working on these Dodge Dakotas, it's 18 for the bumper bolts. well, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for this video. Rich came over, was looking at the car. I don't know if y'all seen him in the time lapse. The owner of the car came over and looked at him, told us a good job. He's gonna order the new bumper cover and a new bumper, and hopefully hardware in the bracket for that side because it is bent and all the screws are rusted, so I couldn't get it off. But get it off for what? Because all he brought me over was a fender and a headlight and light bulbs. He wanted me to change the light bulbs. He got blue light bulbs. Couldn't paint it for him because he didn't buy the paint. But I did put the other fender flare on there from out the other fender that took the damage to the front. Like I say, you see back there, that bracket right there is bent. So hopefully when he gets his new bumper and bumper cover, he'll get that bracket. Because he don't pull his parts. He have people pull the parts for him because he don't work on cars like I do. But like I said, that's gonna be a wrap for this little Dodge Dakota. I did what I was paid to do. Put the fender on and get the headlight installed, install his other light bulbs on the other side. So y'all know the analytics. Like, comment, share, subscribe. When I mean like, give me a thumbs up or give me a thumbs down if you like this video. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know how we did on the Dodge Dakota. Share this video if you would on your social media, and consider subscribing to Easy E's Rebuilds. And we also have merch at teespring.com, and we take Cash App donations. Go check out my description area below. It's all links down there to my Facebook and Instagram. So with all that said, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Peace.